Hi, today is Monday, February 9th. So I forgot or was lazy to record last week. I was thinking of doing it on Friday, but yeah, there were other things and this things got busy. So, yeah, okay, I was last week. Last week was one of the slower weeks. So, the week before I was doing a lot of work on the WhatsApp paper. Like I did like a full week almost of WhatsApp that analysis, and we have the results now. And like there's some like with my co-author, like there's some back and forth. Oh, can you go to this result? So I was going back and doing that and things like that. But yeah, last week it was mostly just. Now 2 days of the week is gone for the teaching. Like I said last week. That new course is takes a lot of time. Also, I'm trying to do Thursday evening, Thursday afternoon, and then Friday morning. So the class is 3 hours on Friday. So 1 to 4. So if I prepare in the morning and Thursday evening, then yeah, so Thursday morning I'm teaching again, so I have to prep for that. So Thursday and Friday are just teaching. I have 3 days left, and 3 days I did one of the days I did yeah, this WhatsApp paper, some analysis for that, and then I was doing some uh, like yeah, there's a bunch of other projects running right now. Like there's one with where we are collecting data from Google, Google search, YouTube, things like that, Gemini and ChatGPT. Like people are donating both at the same time. Like some people donate this, some people donate that. So that's a very it's hard to like. We are trying to like I'm trying to find like how good that is, how many people are cheating, and all of that stuff. It's not so great. Like, so I don't know, got 400 users right now, but only 150 or so have given both or like one of them completely in some sense. And so I was originally thinking of doing that as a big paper, but now it's very expensive. Obviously, people are spending like 20 minutes going through getting their Google takeout, then getting their ChatGPT takeout. It's not an easy task for us to ask them to do, and we're paying them a lot. So, so it's yeah. I'm also very poor now, like with all the funding cuts. I used to yeah okay, yeah. This was not something I was thinking about. Like if it was 2, 3 thousand, like, but now I have to really think a lot, and especially given this quality of the data, I did some basic analysis and trying to look at whether the volumes of Google search decreased after people started using ChatGPT. That's one of the questions we want to ask. Like, did this complement? But yeah, there was no clear trend there. Obviously, again, with 100 people, you cannot find any of these trends. So, and I don't have the mental bandwidth to do anything qualitative there. There's a lot of very, very good data there, like that you can do qualitative stuff with. But yeah, I don't think that is there. Then, so that is that. And mm, yeah, then I had some other yeah, important things that I cannot talk about on Thursday and Friday. So I was doing that. Yeah, I was also reading a lot, like trying to think about like the effects of these AI coding. So I was trying to write something, and that took a lot of effort, like, because there's so many people already have written about that, and I want to be good, like meaning I don't want to appear like I just am a random, you know, okay, just blurt out what ChatGPT tells you, but you also so you have an idea and you have some like 3 lines of thought. You write it down and you feel like, okay, this is shit. Like maybe, this is just a copy of what others have said. What is new here? Like, and in the end, I spent some time on Friday and Saturday. I was thinking about it and I just couldn't get myself convinced. I think I will publish that like low quality, whatever quality it is eventually. But yeah, that again, like to writing is always a problem. Like now it's easier, but it's still harder. Uh, yeah, so that was it. Like maybe I can also. very briefly talk about what this week I'll be doing. So this week, there's again like this WhatsApp paper. I mean, it's usually with these you will just say, okay, someone else is going to do it, but now I have to do it. So I need to do that soon because the delays are all on my end, and it's been 2 years now. So we need to do that. And then specifically, like we need to do some. So we did a lot of like analysis, but now I need to go and do the more detailed topics analysis, like of the free text. So that needs to be done. I'll do that. And yeah, then also going back to this Google ChatGPT thing, and there's some other survey and things like that. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you on Friday.